Hey everybody, thanks for joining us yet again on the Daddy-Daughter Dance channel, where we use our daddy-daughter time
to teach your daddy-daughter time.
This is the third video in our Charleston series.
I'm Brad the Dad.
Matea the Magnificent.
And Eva.
Da, 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 da. So, we've already taught you basic Charleston enclosed. We have taught you old style Charleston in video 2. And now video 3, we are going to teach you some turns and tricks to do within that dance. And hopefully by then you guys can just get out there and boogie.
Woo!
Or Charleston if you will.
Here's what the move will look like.
Forward and back, and here's the move. Oops and back. That's a little easier. One more time, then we'll explain it and ha. So it goes like this. Basic first. Forward, back, back. Turn, turn together. See? Just like that. So it's pretty simple with your footwork. We're going to break it down slowly. I'm going to talk about the father's feet for a sec, and daughters do different. Do what she does. So we're going to come back. We're going to go this way. I turn my foot just a little bit. It's just less I have to turn later. Touch. Now when I touch my foot there, I actually enough to just push off again. Right? Same thing here. And then catch and back. So do that again. So back, forward, press off, back, and down. Okay?
Yeah.
You want to explain the grip?
So
it's the same, but
it's the same thing. The daughters are going to go back with their right, forward, and then they're going to tap. They're going to turn and they're going to tap again and back again. Forward, forward, and back.
and one thing I want to make clear: you don't have to get all the way back around to this portion before you step back. Okay? Because if you watch, we're still finishing as we get into that. So do it really quickly. Basic first, forward, forward and back, boom. Pivot, pivot, and down. See, it all worked in one fluid motion, and we're back into this position. Good?
Yeah.
All right, so today we have one extra little special trick for you, or a challenge. This is the dad's spin. Dad's good news, it's the same footwork you just did, except this time you're doing it in old style. So you're doing this, boom, 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 and, oh wait, I'm not. I was about to lead her. Back, forward, touch, touch, back. I couldn't get her. Okay. So we're going to do that slowly. So we'll go here. You're going to step. See, I turned my foot. Still hold on to her hand here. Touch with your foot. Now this is where I'm going to let go. Touch. I'm looking for her hand. Back. Right? And there you go. And that's your challenge move.
The daughters, when you do this, your hand can slide along their back to make sure that you keep contact with them, and then it's easier for them to find your hand.
Very, very good point. If you let go, and I don't know where you are, that would be like, where's your arm? But if you keep it right on your dad's back, boom, I know exactly where it is, and I keep going. But that's it. That's your challenge. That's video 3. We hope you guys really enjoyed Charleston, and we'll have some new videos soon.
Yeah.
Lindy Hop coming to a fall near you.